And the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Office Public Shooting Range brought its vintage rifle match competition back to life this afternoon. NBC 10's Valerie Marawi tells us how you can join and has a story.
The shooting vintage rifle match is like participating in a living history that's affordable to all amateur shooters.
If he could only talk, I'd love to hear what it had to say.
Whether you are a professional shooter or a beginner, the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Department has been bringing this program for everyone for almost 20 years.
In conjunction with the civilian marksmanship program, people can bring old rifles out of their closet, out of their safes, and bring them out here and shoot and have a little fun competition. You don't win any money, you don't win anything, it's just bragging rights.
Shaw has been shooting for over 7 years. He says it's fun to shoot something with so much history behind it.
An M1 Garand rifle, and it was our main service rifle in World War II, Korea, and the beginning of Vietnam. It was probably made in like 1942 or early 1943, so it's a very good chance it may have gone overseas.
Meanwhile, T.C. Trishelle took the fun competition to the next level. She got the first place for a score in the first 100 yards and then 200 yards.
You actually do what you did in practice, that's great. And so I felt really good about it, and I just came out with the mindset, this is going to be my day to get it. My rifle's 100 years old. Yes, it's 100. It's a Springfield 1903.
The Sheriff's Department holds an event once a month. For details, visit ourclimates.com. Reporting in West Monroe, I'm Valerie Maravi for your Arclimates News Source.
Thanks so much, Valerie. And